Hello, my name is Lisa Natalia Marin Meneses. I am a student of Bachelor in Foreign Language with emphasis in English. Next, I will present the answer of the question of task 9. 1. What do you know about this millionaire? I know that he is South African, who also has Canadian and American nationality. He is a great investor, programmer, physicist. He is the current owner of the Twitter and founder of SpaceX. He is also an architect of Tesla Motors and also the creator of a company called Solar City of Solar Energy Services. He is the second richest person in the world. Was a workaholic. 2. What do you think of their business and companies? I believe that these companies are focused on the future and on creativity, and with the efforts of Elon Musk, who has managed to grow great brands in the world. I believe that some of their companies are not for profit, but their purpose is to help humanity with different technologies carry out their project and incidentally making the global economy grow each time and contributing great advancing science and above all to the technology. 3. What is the influence it has in the world and society? The influence it has in the world is too much, especially due to the technology, precisely social networks, and in society, due to the global economy since its company tends to move too much money due to how productive and innovative they have been. 4. What do you think of the use he makes of his money? I think that his money is invested in companies that are productive and and he always bets on the safe side. I also think that Elon Musk is not a person who likes to spend badly. On the contrary, he likes to invest and produce, thus multiplying his profits. 5. What would you do if you were a millionaire? I would have many foundations to help people and animals. Thank you so much.